Hello, today on day 5, we continue to Nelson. This is Kai, our media freak. On the 5th day of our epic road trip around New Zealand's South Island, we set off from Havelock, the charming town by the Pelorus Sound, and made our way towards Nelson. Our aim was to soak in New Zealand's breathtaking nature while reaching the city center of Nelson, where we had discovered a fantastic free parking spot. This turned out to be a stroke of luck, as it allowed us to seamlessly join in the city's New Year's Eve celebrations. The journey from Havelock to Nelson is marked by picturesque landscapes that would make any nature lover's heart skip a beat. As we moved through this green splendor, we were once again reminded why New Zealand is considered one of the most beautiful countries in the world. Upon arrival in Nelson, we were greeted by the city's vibrant atmosphere. The New Year's Eve celebration in Nelson is an experience not to be missed, from live music and local delicacies to a stunning fireworks display that lights up the night sky. It was the perfect end to a day dedicated to discovery and adventure. Join us on an unforgettable road trip around New Zealand's South Island, brought to you by My Mini Green World. For a month, we share a new video daily, showcasing the breathtaking nature, adventurous landscapes, and our unique experiences. Watch as we grill meat on hot stones, fish in crystal-clear waters, and light fires to warm the chilly nights. Dive into our journey and experience a new adventure with us every day. At the end of each video, we present 2 preview images. The left one links to the previous day's video, the right one to the next adventure. This way, you can seamlessly join our journey and not miss a moment. Nelson, a gem on the South Island of New Zealand's Tasman Bay, welcomes explorers and art aficionados alike. Known for its local crafts and vibrant art galleries, Nelson offers a unique blend of culture and natural beauty. As a favored starting point for adventures into the surrounding wilderness, from mysterious caves and exquisite wineries to the stunning Abel Tasman National Park, Nelson is a must-visit for every traveler. Located in the north of the South Island and home to 46,437 people as of the 2013 census, with a population density of 109 residents per square kilometer, Nelson is not just a city, but an experience waiting for visitors. Botanical Hill, situated at the city's heart and often cited as the geographical center of New Zealand, symbolizes not only Nelson's historical significance for New Zealand's land surveying, but also offers a breathtaking view over the city and its surroundings. While the true geographical center lies near Tapawera, Nelson remains the cultural heart of the region, rich in history and traditions that date back to the first Maori settlements around 1300. On this day, the town was especially lively as bars and restaurants were gearing up for New Year's Eve. The air was filled with anticipation for the new year and the delicious scent wafting from the numerous eateries. Our mission was to find an Asian restaurant that would not only delight our taste buds with exquisite flavors, but also convey a sense of community and celebration. As we wandered through Nelson's bustling streets, we felt like part of a larger family, ready to welcome the new year with open arms. Our quest was to find a bar that served beer closely adhering to the German purity law, a real challenge so far from home. Our search took us through hidden alleys and past lively squares, but the only beer we encountered was the mysterious Dale beer. Despite our longing for a taste of home, we opted for the universally loved and globally available Heineken.